Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to start new chapter, Electric Charges at Rest. Electric charges at rest. Children, yesterday I had discussed question answer of chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals. Hello? I have group
is not coming. नहीं हो रहा.
Then you ask Ramanok sir. Which chapter? Name of the chapter. Chapter I had completed, question answer also I had discussed. Today I will start new chapter number 11, electric charges at rest. Yes, I will take a test that will be surprise test, okay, not today. Today I will start new chapter, electric charges at rest. Okay, try to understand it. Oral test will be conducted later. Your preparation should be okay. So anytime your test can be conducted. It will be surprise test. Okay, children? So listen, what is electricity? All of us are familiar with electricity. On a hot summer day, if I say that there is failure of power, there is no electricity, you can say, oh no. Why? Because of scorching heat of the summer season will not let you to live in comfort. Okay? So it makes our life comfortable. In summer season, we can use cooler, AC, fan, which cools our home. And electricity is very important for running these gadgets like air conditioner, AC, or cooler, or fan. In the similar way, at night we use electric bulb, tube light, LED. These things also light up our home and we can see everything properly. And you have seen, children, that we use refrigerator to cool our food, and food can be preserved for longer time. We use refrigerator for it. We use television and radio for educating the people and for our entertainment. We use television and radio for educating the people and also for our entertainment. Okay. Similarly, we use computer in the school for educating the people, and nowadays you see we are taking our classes online. All these things we need electricity. All of us use computer that uses UPS, uninterrupted power supply. UPS is used in computer and that also requires electricity. Farmers use electric motor and pumps for irrigation purpose that also requires electricity. Electric motor and pumps also require electricity. Farmers use electric pump and electric motor for irrigation purpose. Okay. So you have seen children in the factories also electricity is used in the factories to produce food items, stationery, utensils, glass, water, and so on for all of us. Okay. So you see children, we use electricity for various purposes, for making our life comfortable, for we use it for education and for different purposes. Okay. If it is summer season and if there is no electricity, we cannot use refrigerator, we cannot use AC, cooler, fan, etc. And we can say, oh no, if there is power failure, we will say, oh no, because we do not like to be without electricity. Electricity plays very important role in our day-to-day life. We are reading chapter electric charges at rest. Chapter charges at rest. Yes. That time people did not use anything refrigerator. They used to store their water in the pitcher. Okay, some other devices were used by them that did not require electricity. Okay, they did not use AC. They used to have natural wind. They depended more on natural things. Yes, yes, yes. And they were very without these gadgets. They did not have much problem. But nowadays we are living very comfortable life, luxurious life. Okay, we have AC, we have cooler. But that time there was no cooler, no AC. But that time there was no global warming also. Okay, children, उस समय गर्मी भी इतनी नहीं पड़ती थी. There was no global warming. So people were happy without AC, without cooler. But we are talking about this era where we use electricity for using various gadgets, various devices. Okay, and these devices have made our life very comfortable. We cannot think of our life without electricity. Okay, if there will have no electricity, we will not use many devices and our life will be very difficult. So what I mean to say children, that electricity plays very important role in our life. We use many gadgets that require electricity, like on the summer season, in the summer season we use AC, we use cooler, we use fan, all these things require electricity. Similarly, we use radio and television for educating the people and for our entertainment, and this radio and computer also requires electricity. We use refrigerator for the storage of food, for making our food items cool, and for preserving our food items we use refrigerator that also runs with the help of electricity. Similarly, you see children that in the computer you use computer. One part is the UPS, uninterrupted power supply, that also requires electricity to work. Similarly, farmers use electric motor and pump for irrigation purposes, and this electric motor and pump also runs with the help of electricity. At night we use electric bulb, we use CFL, and we also use tube light, and all these gadgets, all these devices require electricity to work. So what I mean to say children, that electricity is very important in our life, and this electricity is a form of energy. What is electricity? It is a form of energy. Like other form of energy, light is a form of energy, sound is a form of energy. Okay, electricity is also a form of energy. Am I clear? हाँ, तो जितने भी डिवाइसेस हम लोग यूज करते हैं ना अपने लाइफ को कंफर्टेबल बनाने के लिए, गर्मी में हम लोग फैन, एसी, कूलर, ये सब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे ही काम करते हैं। उसी तरह से फार्मर्स यूज करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर और पंप खेत में पानी पटाने के लिए, उसके लिए भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए। हम लोग अपना इंटरटेनमेंट करते हैं, रेडियो, आजकल रेडियो तो यूज कर रहे हैं, इसमें भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का यूज है। कंप्यूटर आप यूज करते हैं उसमें यूपीएस है, वो भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे ही रन करता है। तो इस तरह से रेफ्रिजरेटर आप गर्मी में यूज करते हैं, जिसमें कि आप खाना ज्यादा देर तक सही स्थिति में रख सकते हैं, प्रिजर्वेशन कर सकते हैं फूड का, इसके लिए भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए। तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है वो हमारे लाइफ को कंफर्टेबल बना रहा है, और हम लोग हर जगह इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का यूज कर रहे हैं, इसलिए इट प्लेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर लाइफ। एम आई क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? To the history of the discovery and development of electricity, we see that it was discovered in 16th century. Electricity was discovered 16th century. It was found that when amber was rubbed against a piece of flannel, amber was a type of yellowish brown solid. It was like a stone, and when it was rubbed against a flannel, flannel is a woolen cloth, then it acquired the property of attracting light objects. Amber एक येलो ब्राउन कलर का सॉलिड थिंग था, जिसको फ्लैनेल एक कपड़ा होता है, वुलन क्लोथ, उसमें रब करके किया गया, तो उस एम्बर में ये प्रॉपर्टी आ गया कि वो लाइट